I'm Pam from Asia Employee Experience Team, and I organize our yearly Snowflake Tree event. The Snowflake Tree is a holiday season event at AFNI, happened every November to December. This special activity grants wishes of the children of our employees, including our housekeeping staff and our security guards. Our AFNI employees can apply for their children or legal dependents to be Snowflake recipient. They would just need to visit the HR booth, provide the birth certificate of the child, and share the necessary details of their child, including the child's wish list. The wish list is written on the Christmas tree card, which is then hung on the Christmas tree, so that our kind-hearted employees who wants to adopt a snowflake baby can read through all the wish list, so that they can choose a child's wish that they want to grant. There are several positive impacts in doing Snowflake Tree event for both company and its employees, but in overall, this activity strengthens the company culture, boosts our employee engagement, and by giving wishes to the children of our employees, AFNI shows care and support to its employees' families, and it can result in greater employee loyalty and appreciation.
Hi, I'm Marisa. Part po ako ng housekeeping team dito po sa AFNI. Two years na po akong part ng Snowflake Tree event dito sa AFNI. Naaalala ko nga po nung first time na nakatanggap ang mga anak ko ng regalo, sobrang saya po nila. And nung second year, lalong mas masaya kasi dalawa na silang nakatanggap ng regalo galing kay AFNI. Masaya kasi hindi naman po lahat nabibigyan ng chance na mapili na maging recipient ng Snowflake event dito sa AFNI.
Hi, my name is Ron from the training department, and this is my 7th year participating in the Snowflake Tree event. Well, I have an 8-year-old daughter whom I love so much. And nothing compares to the feeling that I get whenever I see the sparkle in her eyes whenever she's unwrapping presents on Christmas Day. So I thought, why not share that same feeling to the people that I consider as my second family, which are my co-workers. And that's where the Snowflake Tree comes in. Well, for me, it represents giving. Like, at least once in a year during the holiday season, my kids will be your kids and your kids are my kids. And we all have the same goal, which is to see the smile in the faces of those children.
We continue doing this tradition because it aligns with the company's values of generosity, community, and employee well-being. So far, I've been handling this project for 3 years now, and I could say that every time, the joy of the child's faces when they receive their gifts is truly heartwarming. That's why I consider this project as my baby and my favorite one to work on.
Napaparamdam nito sa akin na hindi lang simpleng opisina itong AFNI. Nagsasama-sama yung mga empleyado para maging masaya yung Pasko ng bawat isa, lalo na't para to sa mga anak namin.
By adopting a Snowflake baby, you can make sure someone's holiday is truly magical. Let's come together this holiday season to support our teammates and their families. At AFNI, we make sure that better begins here.